guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to enable USB debugging on your Android device. First of all, you would want to enable developer options. Now developer options is actually a hidden setting within your device, which is normally located within settings. Head down to system and tap on advanced. As you can see, I don't have any developer options available. So head back to settings and tap on about phone. Go all the way down to build number. Now just tap on this multiple times until you're prompted that you are now a developer. Go back to settings, system, advanced. As you can see, developer options is now available. Just tap on it and go down to USB debugging and enable it. Prompt comes up, just say OK, and that's it. USB debugging is now enabled on your Android device.